Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Data with Divyanka. Before we start our video, if you are new on this channel, so please subscribe my channel for more scenario based question and vacancy updates. So let's move to our today's topic. So our today's topic is difference between where and having clause. So this question is very important to point of your interview because this question in data analyst or SQL developer interview. So where clause. The where clause is powerful tool in SQL that allows us to filter rows from a table based on specific condition. So think it as a way to retrieve only the data that meets a certain criteria. It's like putting on a pair of filters of your data sets. So where clause can be used without group by clause. Where clause implements row operations. Where clause can be used select, update and delete statement. So let's move to example. So imagine we have a table named sales with column product and revenue. If we want to fetch the rows where the revenue is greater than $100, we can use where clause. Got it? So syntax is select product comma revenue from sales. Sales is our table name. So from sales, then filter what? So where revenue greater than 100. So before we jump into the difference between having and where, so let's talk about group by clause. So group by clause lets us to group rows with the similar values in specific columns. It like gathering a similar data together for easier analysis. Then we often pair group by with the aggregation function like sum, count, average, etc. to perform calculation on these groups. Before we moving to having function, first thank you so much for watching this video. We love hearing from you. If there is a specific topic you would like to us to cover in our next video, please let us know in the comment below. Now having clause. Let's meet the having clause. Unlike where, which the filters individual rows, having filters groups that were created using group by. So imagine you are at party and you want to interact with people who have danced more than 5 times. That's similar to what the having clause does. It filters group based on aggregated result. Having clause implements in column operation. Just like where clause, we can use where clause for row level operations. So having clause we can use for column operations. Okay, then having clause can contain aggregate function. Then having clause is used after group by clause. So in this example, suppose we have same sales table as where clause table to retrieve the products and their revenue for products with a total revenue greater than $1,000. So we use having clause for that. So what is our query? So select product comma sum revenue as total revenue. Okay, then from sales is our table name, then group by products, then having total revenue greater than 1000. Okay, as I said, so having clause is used after group by clause. You can see here. So friends, if you like this video, so like, share and subscribe this channel, and don't forget to share with your friends, and don't forget to watch another videos. Thanks for watching.